If you look at a data-driven twin, the model encapsulates the true behavior of the operation. Instead of using random data, it relies on facility and operational constraints coupled with real-time, non-randomized data set for accurate representation. So on the benefits of what you get, it's very flexible in the way it applies and actually show you the data. It's going to show you the data that you need based on the actual situation that's at hand. It is a one view, one system. By connecting all these systems together, now the twin actually represents the true view of the operation, and it's giving you that interaction between all these systems and how they're impacting each other. So of course, cost control, everybody worried about cost, and this is really why we do this whole thing, is to really reduce the cost of the operation itself. So this is where that cost efficiency becomes important, and that's where we allow the data itself to tell us how efficient and how the operation should run in order to reduce the cost. So you can never overstate how important the data is, because it speaks for itself. It doesn't have an ego. It doesn't care what kind of experience I have. It just says it the way it is. So if it foresees a potential bottleneck, it's going to let you know. Even though somebody might say, well, this is not going to happen because yesterday I saw the same thing and it did not happen. So it provides you that control over the operation, and it's going to give you those set of tools that actually determine how effective your operation is. The other thing is it's going to give you complete visibility over the operation. In general, people tend to perform much better when they know that they are being evaluated based on objective metrics rather than someone's perspective or someone's view of how they operate. So by looking at the metrics and knowing exactly where they stand, they know how well they're operating, and they know that their level of productivity is where it needs to be. So of course, the key is to get that ROI in less than 3 months and actually drive the overall system.